Hey, Ernie. Look at you in the big boy cage, Ernie bird. Good boy. Look at that, huh? Yeah? Hi. Hi, handsome. Hi, Ernie. Hi, baby. Ruh-roh. Oh, you can't reach it. Oh, you can. Dagnabbit. No, no, not good. And what do we have here? Hi, Kirby Birdie. Hi, Curbs. Oh, okay, yeah. Good. Ow, no. No biting, because I've got owies all over my hand. Here, you can do this one. Good girl. Good girl. Then, hey, Charlie. Ready to go take a bath, huh? All right. This is Kirby's new cage. It's pretty freaking big for Gray. Oh, we got a play area back here. I like it. Room's coming along. Your guys' room is getting smaller. I wonder why.